Several initiatives will be rolled out to help businesses better protect their intellectual property. They include fast-tracking applications for trademarks and registered designs. The initiatives were announced at the opening of IP Week, and it builds on an existing master plan to make Singapore a global IP hub. 7 companies were also recognized for leveraging IP in the fight against COVID-19. Geraldine Yap with more.
Perfect. Okay.
Getting tested for COVID-19 is usually a painful affair, but that may soon be a thing of the past with a new saliva sampling kit by Lucent's Diagnostics. The kit inactivates the virus quickly, and samples collected can be transported and stored at room temperature.
Swabs are risky because of aerosols from sneezing or coughing, and they require experienced healthcare personnel. Collecting samples through saliva therefore resolves many of these issues. It's easier for mass testing. It's painless, it's accessible, and it can be collected without the presence of trained healthcare staff.
The company, which develops blood tests for cancer, licensed the technology from A-Star and brought the product to market with its expertise. The kit is now being evaluated in Singapore hospitals. Lucent's Diagnostics is one of 7 companies recognized at this year's IP Week for their innovations in the fight against COVID-19. Other winners include a disinfectant coating effective against coronaviruses and a thermal body scanner. To help companies better protect and use such intellectual property, the Intellectual Property Office of Singapore will roll out several schemes. The SGIP FAST program will help enterprises get protection for patents, trademarks and registered designs more quickly. This builds on an existing scheme which grants patents in all technology fields in as quickly as 6 months. It's also enhanced iPOS Go, the world's first trademark registration app. Enterprises can now use the app to look for similar trademarks, as well as business, domain and social media account names. They can also renew patents and registered designs through the app.
We will develop Singapore's IP strategy to position our nation as a base for ideas, intangible assets, and IP from anywhere in the world, from which to access markets in other parts of the world. This will support domestic enterprise growth, attract foreign direct investments, and create more well-paying jobs. We are working closely with key stakeholders to co-create and co-deliver these initiatives.
The government will also build capabilities in the area of mediation for IP disputes.